Never wrestle with a pig. You both get dirty, but the pig likes it. I'm sure you've heard this expression before. Unfortunately, divorcing a narcissist is like wrestling with a pig. You're going to get dirty, and the pig's going to enjoy it. But I've got 10 tips for you that are going to help and hopefully give you a better experience if you're forced to divorce a narcissist. The first, maybe unsurprisingly coming from me, is you need an experienced and tough, but a reasonable lawyer to help you through this process. Secondly, be ready for a battle. No matter what your narcissist spouse might say about settling the case and being friendly, it's not going to happen that way. Work with an experienced therapist. It's a reality check. It'll help you keep you sane. And a good therapist experienced in dealing with narcissists is our best ally in this battle to come. Plus, they're much less expensive than talking to your lawyer. Before you even begin, gather as much of the financial information and documentation as you can and safeguard it. The narcissist will steal it, destroy it, and make things difficult for you. So gather it and safeguard it. Your lawyer will need it. Decide what is most important to you and what you can give up. You got to pick your battles and don't let the narcissist pick them for you. And we're going to try to stay out of court as much as possible, but be ready to go to court because the narcissist is not going to settle unless they think it's their own idea. Use all of your efforts to remain calm and reasonable in the face of crazy. Set boundaries on communication with the narcissist and let the lawyer take the brunt of it if necessary. Before you begin, educate your family and friends about how the narcissist will attempt to turn them against you. And they will. They'll try to triangulate. They will make things difficult. Have your support team ready for that. The narcissist is going to make you promises during the course of this. Don't rely on them. If you agree to something, let's get it in writing and make it enforceable. And finally, you got to find ways to let your narcissist spouse think they are winning. That's important to them. So we make them believe they're winning, and hopefully we will get you what you want. Here at West Family Law Group, we have extensive experience in dealing with narcissists and divorce cases, and we can help you protect your rights and, even more importantly, your peace of mind during this process. We know how to anticipate the tactics the narcissistic spouse used during divorce, and we develop strategies to overcome or sidestep the misconduct. Just be prepared for a long, tough battle. And one of the biggest problems when dealing with a narcissist in a divorce is that they don't feel the need to resolve conflicts. They thrive on conflict and chaos, and this makes it challenging. Yeah, a skilled attorney can often convince a narcissist that a compromise solution was their idea. Most narcissists want to be seen as the good person or the right person in a dispute. So strategies that play to that need can often produce agreements in a divorce settlement. We use a dual-prong approach. We use good faith efforts at settlement while constantly preparing the case for trial. We will guide you on how to pick your battles, which fights are worth having and which are not. Because I guarantee you that if you fight every issue a narcissist raises, you will end up both broke and exhausted. And this is what the narcissist wants. While narcissists usually give the appearance of being very confident as they manipulate people, their behavior often masks a very fragile ego. Anything they perceive as criticism can send them into a rage and trigger a power struggle. Their total lack of empathy for others can make them dangerous opponents. But remember the myth of Narcissus. Here's a spoiler alert. He dies at the end. At the end of the day, you must remember that if the divorce is necessary, you're going to want a better future and away from the domineering and negative control of your narcissistic spouse. Difficulty will be worth it, and we can help you navigate this tough time to come. Your life will be better.